Hi everyone, here we are at HomeGoods. So this is my favorite time of the year, and yes, we are counting down to Christmas. So I'm in an area of HomeGoods over here by me. They have an aisle where they have specialty items, they have chocolates, they have all kinds of goodies in this aisle that you can give out as gifts. So I thought I'd walk you through that aisle slowly so that you can see the items they have. I'm like so excited. Come with me. So this video is part of a collaboration. It is Vlogmas uh, Countdown to Christmas. And so who's hosting it? At Penny's Place. So I would love for you to full watch the videos and subscribe to the channel. And comment below. Now let's go have some fun. So for all those who are low carb or keto, you do have what's called the skinny syrup, and this is an item that I would have to order online, but HomeGoods does carry it in this specialty item aisle. And also they have keto-friendly cookies, low carb, a lot of items. You would be so surprised. So let's keep going. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed shopping with you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and happy holidays.